So you're all joined for Salesforce. Any one of you please tell me, before I start the session, I need to discuss one important point here. In your syllabus, we are going to discuss 6 modules, guys. I'm going to cover 6 modules. Out of 6 modules, the first module is configuration. The second one is development. Third one. So you're all joined for Salesforce. Any one of you please tell me, before I start the session, I need to discuss one important point here. In your syllabus, we are going to discuss 6 modules, guys. I'm going to cover 6 modules. Out of 6 modules, the first module is configuration. The second one is development. Third one is integration. Last one is administration. So 1 minute, please, guys.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Hi,
sorry,
sir.
guys. Sorry. It's an important call for
Hello.
administration.
Okay, sir.
We have something like what? Lightning. Everybody please mute from your side, guys. Lightning and the CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. These are the 6 modules I'm going to cover in your syllabus the next 3 months of time. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sai Sir, before you proceed, I had one basic query. If you permit, shall I go ahead and ask?
Cannot go ahead.
So for example, you had given the 6 modules as of now here, right? Like I'm more interested, like suppose if I want to further excel myself and like learn more of development or more in depth with development with Lightning. So in that case, will this course would be good enough, or like will I have to further look for further courses to actually
Not required.
build myself on that?
Not required. Who is this? What's your name?
Dheeraj here.
Yeah, Dheeraj. Whatever modules we are going to cover next 6 months of time, so 3 months of time, that is enough for you to crack the job. Understand? You no need to enhance your skills. That is more than.
Right.
And whatever content I'm deliver the next 3 months of time down the line, that is more than enough for you to crack the job.
Thank you.
Understand?
Yes.
And apart from these 6 modules, every day I'm going to share running notes, and also I'll give interview questions, and also we will discuss about some practice tests, and also I will share the running material, not running material, source material, and also we will discuss about the examination dumps, application dumps I'm talking. So these I'm going to provide for you guys. That is more than enough. With the help of this particular information, you can easily crack the job, Dheeraj. Clear?
Yeah, sure. Thank you very much for that explanation.
Thank you. Where are you from,
Sir,
Dheeraj?
I have one more doubt.
Yeah, go ahead.
What about the modules you are delivering to us? So is this for fresher? Like suppose someone fresher in this Salesforce. So is this good enough for this person?
Actually, this course is sufficient from fresher to 5 years experience. Understand?
Yeah.
Either a fresher you can attend the interview, or even 5 years experience also you can put, I can attend the interview, no problem. Clear?
Yeah.
Hello, sir. This is Gnan.
Yes,
I have a question. Will you provide us any live project, real-time project?
yeah. I will provide the project at the end of the 6 modules, but I cannot sit with you. Understand? I will guide you. That's okay.
That's fine. That's fine. But you will provide some project.
I will provide the project.
Oh. Thank you.
Anything else?
Hi, will we be provided with the recorded sessions, or how are
Yeah,
we going
recording
to
sessions
review?
also we will provide every day. Sorry.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, myself Subhashish Roy.
Yeah, Subhash, tell me.
I'm already in job. I'm posted as a system analyst in BITS, in Birla Institute of Technology.
Great, good.
And joining of this class or this course is only to get some ideas.
Okay.
I have a background of Oracle and PLSQL.
Oh, great. Okay.
Okay. Basically triggers and OOPS concept in DBMS.
Yeah.
Whether it will be convenient to learn this Salesforce.
Yeah. Actually, 7 years back, I was into Salesforce last 7 years. Before 7 years, I was into Oracle side only.
Power BI.
I was into Oracle side.
Okay.
SQL and PLSQL.
Okay.
Almost
Thanks.
10 years I was into Oracle side, SQL, PLSQL developer.
So
actually, that knowledge really added advantage for me to understand what Salesforce is.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Understand?
Because
so I hope it's beneficial for you because you already have the knowledge on PLSQL programming. So undoubtedly, you can easily understand. Very simple point for your understanding purpose. Database point of view, we can call it as a table. Yes or no? Okay. But in Salesforce point of view, we can call it as S object.
Okay.
So there is much similarity between what Oracle database and what do you call Salesforce. So the people who already have the knowledge in Oracle or Java or some other language, you can easily understand. You can easily cope up with this technology. Understand?
I'm used to with Python. not
Okay, you
Java.
already have the knowledge in Python. I hope you know about OOPS concept also. Sir, no?
Okay. Okay.
Oh, that is definitely added advantage for you to understand the subject.
Okay.
No doubt.
Thank you.
Yeah, sir. One more question. So
Let
what
me
is
start the class, boss.
Yeah, one more doubt, sir. What is the prerequisite for this entire
First of all, let me clear. You do not require any kind of prior knowledge to understand Salesforce. First of all,
Okay.
I'm requesting all of you. You do not require any kind of prior knowledge. I'm going to start from basics. Even a layman also can easily understand my session.
Excuse me, this is Sriram, this side.
Yeah, Sriram, go ahead.
Question regarding the hardware requirements. What do we need? Like, is a basic laptop enough or?
Basic laptop is enough, but make sure that internet speed is should good. Okay.
Sorry, sir.
Hello.
Internet speed.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Good evening, sir. Hello. Subhishek
Yeah, good
this
evening.
side, sir.
Yeah.
Subhishek. Sir, actually, I want to know about is there any framework which is available for Salesforce?
Not required. Not required. Not required.
And I am from also sir Java background. Can I cope up it
easily?
Salesforce?
Very easily can understand.
Okay.
As
Thank you, sir.
Hey, let us start the class. Let us start the session. Already half an hour completed.
Sure. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, will you teach the Apex language?
Yeah. Development, we are going to discuss about Apex only.
So all the things that are required for the development, it is that teach by you, right?
Yeah.
And the class is for daily basis or weekend batch?
Daily basis only. Every day 1 hour session, 8 to 9.
At PM, right? At night, na sir?
8 p.m. to 9 p.m.
Is Apex do it in SFC?
So let us start the session. Let us start the class.
Sure, sir. Please start.
Thank you. Everybody, please mute from your side, except Dheeraj. The rest of all the people, please keep quiet. Dheeraj, you can talk with me. Dheeraj, are you there in the class? Dheeraj.
Yeah, I'm with you. Sorry, it took some time in order to unmute myself.
Yeah. Let me start the session. Except Dheeraj, rest of all the people, please keep quiet. Please mute from your side, okay? Dheeraj, I'm asking a simple question here. What is Salesforce? What do you think about Salesforce?
With my basic understanding about Salesforce is basically a CRM tool, which is more of like customization version of inbuilt software, inbuilt programmable software, based on which like customers' need can be fulfilled, or the business scope can be fulfilled.
Okay. So ultimately, what is said is basically Salesforce is a CRM tool. Right?
Yes, it's a CRM tool.
Okay. So I will make you to tell the answer what is Salesforce means. So before that, let me write some names on the screen here. Everybody, please observe carefully and try to understand what I'm speaking here, guys. Microsoft, IBM, Google, SAP, Oracle. I wrote some names on the screen. What are all these? Tell me. Dheeraj?
These are all the software companies.
Software companies. Very good. Very good. These are all software companies. Good. TCS, TTS. Now something like Capgemini.
Service-based company.
Accenture.
Service provider.
So there are so many companies in the world. What is the difference between these companies and these companies?
So the tools
product-based and
they are the product-based companies, and
these
the
are
rest
all,
is
I can call them as product-based companies. Or the other way around, we can call them as what? Vendor companies. What is this?
Vendor
and whereas TCS, CTS, Capgemini, Accenture, Wipro, these are all belongs to what? Service-based companies. or development companies. So there are two different types of companies in IT market. In IT industry, we have two types of companies. First one is called product-based companies or vendor companies. Second one is called service-based companies or development companies. Microsoft, IBM, Google, SAP, Oracle, all these companies comes under what? Product-based companies. And whereas TCS, CTS, Capgemini, Accenture, these are all service-based companies. What is the difference between these two companies is, product-based companies are those companies, they will develop software products like operating systems, some programming languages, some databases, like some packages, technologies. Everybody please mute. Some technologies, some applications. These are all comes under what? Software products. All these software products are developed by product-based companies or vendor companies. Suppose take the example of operating system. Very well-known operating system in the market, that is Windows. Windows is an operating system developed by Microsoft company. Like that, IBM company developed one of the database product. Database product name is called DB2, Database 2. It is developed by vendor company called IBM. Like that, Google company developed one of the application name is called Gmail. Gmail is an application which is developed by Google company. Like that, SAP company developed one of the programming language name is called ABAP. It stands for Advanced Business Application Programming. The proprietary language of Salesforce companies, sorry, SAP company. The programming language just like Java. Like that, Oracle company developed one of the database product name is called Oracle. In case of Oracle, company name and product name both are same. So according to my point, according to my explanation, what you understand is vendor companies are those companies, they developed what? Software products like operating systems, programming languages, databases, packages, technologies, applications. This all comes under what? Software products. Using these software products, the second type of companies like development companies, they will develop software applications. Using these products, development companies are developing what? Software applications. But for whom they will develop these applications? Development companies are developing software applications as per the requirement of somebody else. Those people we can call them as clients. So clients are nothing but business people. They are doing business in the market. Those business people, we can technically call them as clients. There are different types of business domains in the market. There are different types of business domains or business verticals in the market, like telecom industries, like hospitals, like hotels, like automobiles, banks, insurance companies. These are different kinds of business in the market. Suppose take the example, you know about Airtel company. Airtel belongs to which company? Which business? Telecom business. Hospitals. I hope you know about Apollo hospitals, Air hospitals, KIMS hospitals. These all comes under hospital business. Like hotels, Taj group of hotels comes under hotel industry. Automobiles, like Maruti Suzuki, Hyundai, Mahindra and Mahindra. So these people belong to what? Automobile industry. Even Tata. Banks, We have so many banks in the market: ICICI, HDFC, PI. So these all belongs to banking industry. Insurance companies like LIC, ICICI Lombard, Tata AAG. These are all comes under what? Insurance industries. Like that, development companies are developing software applications as per the client's requirement or business people requirement. So in total IT industry, we have three important persons are there. The first person is vendor companies. The second person is service-based companies or development companies. And the third person is clients. So the relation between all the three people is vendor companies developing software products like operating systems, programming languages, databases. Using those products, development companies are developing software applications as per the requirement of clients. That is a simple relation between all the three people. This is how the game is rotating here. I hope all of you understand up to this. Tell me, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's clear, sir.
Everyone understand? Okay.
Yes.
Am I going fast?
No, it's fine.
No, it's
Am I going the same pace?
Okay, sir.
No.
It is okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Everybody, please mute from your side. Everybody. So there are three important key players in IT industry. First player is vendor companies. Second person is vendor development companies. And the third one is clients. Vendor companies developing software products. Using those products, development companies are developing software applications as per the client's requirement. So if you go to any bank, if you go to any hospital, if you go to any shopping mall, if you go to any restaurant, wherever you go, they are using what? Software applications in their business. My question is, if you go 40 years back, 50 years back, do we have telecom industries in the market?
Yes, sir.
No.
Sir.
Why not? We have.
Yes,
BSNL.
Yes. And
Do we have
Motorola.
hospitals 40 years back? Yes, we have hospitals. Do we have hotels? Yes, we have hotels. Do we have automobile industries?
Yes.
Do we have banks?
Yes.
Yes. Do we have insurance companies?
Yes.
Yes. All these industries are there in the market, even 40, 50 years back also. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
But 40, 50 years back, if you go to any bank or any insurance company, they do not use what?
Software
Software applications in their business. Yes or no? They don't know what is software. They don't know a computer also. But they did the business without using software applications. Now they are doing the business using software applications. My question is, what are the advantages? What are the advantages of using software applications in their business? This is my question. Hope all of you understand the question clearly. What are the advantages of using software applications in their business?
Save the time.
Excellent
Saving the
answer.
time.
First advantage, it saves your time. Second advantage,
business
Bring the
automation.
automation.
yeah, I will tell you the advantages. Second advantage is what? Security. The third advantage is what here?
Scalability.
Scalability.
Yes.
These are the three major advantages of using software applications in the business. The first advantage, time. Tell me, guys, time is most precious in everybody's life. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Someone need to mute, please. Everybody, please mute. Except Dheeraj. Dheeraj, talk with me. Rest of all the people keep quiet. Dheeraj, where are you from?
Yes. I'm basically from Bihar.
Bihar. Bihar, which place? Patna?
Sir, it's 230 kilometers away from Patna, Saharsa.
Let us assume you are living in Patna, okay?
Okay.
And you are my friend. I'm living in Hyderabad right now.
Okay.
Clear? You and myself, both of the friends. I'm talking about 30 years back matter. Listen carefully, all of you, everybody in the classroom. Dheeraj and myself, both are the friends. He's living in Patna, myself living in Hyderabad. Both are the friends. He is having the account in SBI, State Bank of India. Understand? I am having the account in PNB. PNB stands for Punjab National Bank. Clear, all of you?
Yes.
40 years back, my friend Mr. Dheeraj asking 10,000 rupees. He requested me. Who's this? Who draw these lines? Are Dattatreya. Listen the class carefully, all of you. 40 years back, my friend asking me 10,000 rupees. I need to deposit 10,000 rupees into my friend's account. Tell me, guys, what I have to do. I have to go to the bank, Punjab National Bank. There I'm going to take some withdrawal form. I need to fill the form. I need to stand in the queue. They given some token to me. I need to wait for some time. After that, I got the money, 10,000 rupees. I withdraw. And I need to walk down to where? SBI.
You need to get a demand draft and then post it to Dheeraj to Patna.
Okay.
And Dheeraj will
That is
submit
one
that
way.
demand
Or
draft.
other way is what I have to go to deposit form. Where I have to go?
Yeah.
SBI. There I need to take deposit form. I need to fill the form. I need to stand in the queue. There I can deposit the amount. Tell me, in this bank, I have to spend at least 30 minutes time to withdraw the money. In this bank, at least 30 minutes time to deposit the money. So approximately, I have to spend near about 1.5 hour time to perform this particular transaction. Yes or no?
Yes.
Speak out, everybody in the classroom. That is long back story. That is long back story. If I want to transfer the funds into my friend's account, I no need to go to the bank. I can simply open the net banking application. I can simply open what? Net banking application or mobile banking application.
Or UPI.
Yeah,
Or I
Phone
can
Pay,
use
Google
Phone Pay.
Paytm, like.
Or I can use Paytm, Google Pay. There are so many ways to transfer the funds into my friend's account within a span of minutes of time. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me, guys, what is net banking, mobile banking, what is Phone Pay, Google Pay? These are all software applications or not?
Yes, sir.
Using these software applications, I can easily transfer the amount from my account to my friend's account without wasting much time. So according to this example, what you understand is, if I'm using software application, it saves my time or not?
Yes, sir.
Everybody in the class?
Definitely save the time, sir.
Yeah, that is the first advantage. The second advantage is security. What is the security here? Tell me, 40, 30 years back, if you want to buy anything outside in the market, we have to carry the cash with you. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Without carrying the cash, you cannot buy anything outside. Clear, all of you? I want to buy some groceries. I want to buy some provisions. Suppose I'm going to the supermarket. I want to buy fruits, some vegetables. Definitely have to carry the cash with me right now. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Nowadays, you no need to carry the cash. You can everything you can pay through what? Phone Pay or Google Pay or Paytm, or you can use your debit card or credit card, whatever it is. Yes or no? Once you do not carry the cash with you, indirectly you're getting the security for your cash or not? Speak out. Hello.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Can you hear me? Yeah. So
Yes,
this is the second advantage of what? Using
software applications.
The third advantage is scalability. What is the scalability here? As I said, my friend is staying in where? In Patna. And where I'm staying? Hyderabad. I withdraw 10,000 rupees from my account. If I want to deposit in his account, I need to travel all the way from Hyderabad to Patna. There I need to, and where I have to go? I have to go to the bank where my friend is open branch. There only I can deposit the amount. Why? Because this bank is different, this bank is different. This branch is different, this branch is different. 30, 40 years back, every bank, every branch is working independently. One bank is nowhere related to what? Other bank. One branch is nowhere related to other branch. That is a major problem. But once software come into the market, we can integrate all the banks, we can integrate all the branches across the globe, across the world. That is the reason we can easily transfer the funds from anywhere to anywhere across the world nowadays. So this is all about what here? Scalability. So we can achieve scalability using what? Software. So these are the three major advantages of using what? Software applications. Yes or no? What is the first advantage? Speak out all of you.
Time.
Saves your time, provides the security, and also we can achieve
Scalability.
I hope everyone understands these examples.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the three major advantages of using software application. Understand, Dheeraj?
Yes, sir.
Good. So this is only one side of the coin. Now I'm going to discuss about what is this? Difficulties of using what? Software applications in the business. Point clear, all of you? What is the next point I'm going to discuss? Difficulties of using software applications in the business. Listen carefully and try to understand this point. Everybody please mute. Everybody please mute. Let us take a small example here. Let us take a small example. I have a company. My company name is called XYZ company. For this company, I need some software application. So I given this project to a company called TCS. What is TCS here? Development company. TCS point of view, who is XYZ company? XYZ company belongs to client, yes or no? So here, TCS need to develop the application or TCS need to develop the project as per the client requirement, that is XYZ company, yes or no? If TCS wants to develop the project as per the XYZ company requirement or as per the client requirement, is TCS need some programming language or not?
Yes.
Definitely.
They need some operating system or not? And also they need some database. So without having these three, it is not possible to develop any application for any client. That everybody knows this point. So programming language, operating system, database. These are the three minimum prerequisites to develop any project for any company. So in this particular example, TCS decided to develop this application using one of the programming language called C#. What is the programming language name? C#. So C# programming language developed by which company?
Microsoft.
So now TCS need to purchase the original licensed software from Microsoft company or not? Speak out, all of you. TCS is not supposed to use pirated software.
We have to buy the original.
Yeah, TCS need to use original software. TCS is not supposed to use what? Pirated software. In Hyderabad, Amirpet, everything is pirated only. Yes or no? But if you go for real time, no development company can use what? Pirated software. They have to purchase the original license from vendor companies. So Microsoft company is a vendor company for this product, and TCS invested some amount, approximately 5 lakhs. They purchased the software from which company here? Microsoft company. But C# is not only sufficient. They need some operating system and as well as database also. That is why TCS decided to use Windows operating system. So Windows operating system is also developed with company, Microsoft. It's cost around approximately 10 lakhs. And database, they decided to use Oracle database. Oracle database costs around 15 lakhs. Tell me approximately altogether, TCS invested how much here? We got guys. TCS invested how much? 5 lakhs plus 10 lakhs
30
plus
lakhs.
15 lakhs. Total how much?
30 lakhs.
30 lakhs invested with TCS. They purchased these three products from all these three vendor companies, and they developed the project as per the client requirement. All of understand, guys?
Yes.
Okay. And tomorrow, this
Yes.
client also going to use this application or not? If the client wants to use this application, even client also need to purchase all these three products or not? Now tell me, in this example, client also need to invest how much?
30 lakhs.
30 lakhs. Now tell me all of you, 30 lakhs business coming from TCS company and another 30 lakhs business coming from client to whom here? To vendor companies. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
So vendor companies getting more revenue from both client and as well as TCS companies here. Clear all of you?
Yes.
Now tell me, among these three people, clients, development companies, and vendor companies, among these three people, vendor companies getting more profit and more business. That is the reason vendor company owners are the most visionary people in the market and also the most wealthiest persons in the market. Who are the most wealthiest persons in the market? Vendor company owners. Tell me, who is Bill Gates?
Microsoft.
My
Microsoft
friend.
owner. Yes or no? Speak out. Who is Larry Ellison? Oracle company owner. Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook owner. Who are these people? Vendor company owners or not?
Yeah.
Elon Musk.
Vendor company owners are the most wealthiest persons in the world because they are getting more business, more profit than clients and as well as development companies. I hope all of you understand this example clearly. Yes or no? Hello, guys. Speak out, guys.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes,
Good.
sir.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now my question is, excuse me. Here my question is, TCS invested 30 lakhs. They purchased these three products from these Microsoft company and Oracle company. Tell me, is TCS can use these products lifelong, forever and ever?
No.
No,
No.
sir.
No.
They give the license up to maximum 4 to 5 years.
Right.
Sir, after 5 years, excuse me, don't make noise in the class. After 5 years, again, TCS need to renew the software or renew the product. Yes or no? Or renew the license, I can say. Clear? Means that development companies and clients, these two people, they keep on what? Upgrade the software.
Or need to buy the license again.
Yeah, upgrade the software. They need to install the software and also they need to
Pay for the subscription.
maintain the software. Clear all of you? Both clients and development companies, they need to keep on upgrading the software. They need to keep on installing the software and also they need to keep on maintaining the software. So upgradation, installation, maintenance, it leads to increase the, what is this? Speak out.
Cost. Increase the setup cost.
It is good. It is going to increase the setup cost for both whom? For both clients and also
Service.
what? Development company. All of you understand the point clearly? For both clients and development companies, they need to keep on upgrading the software. They need to keep on installing the software, and also they need to keep on maintaining the software. Upgradation, installation, maintenance, everything will be taken care of by clients and as well as development companies on their own. Then it leads to what happens? It leads to increase the speak out setup cost. Cost will increase like anything, day by day, like anything, for both clients and as well as development companies. Am I clear this point, everyone? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
You can hear me?
Yeah.
Because of the setup cost, only top level companies, or I can say premium level companies, top level companies or premium level companies. Someone need to mute, please. Subhashis Roy, please mute. Only top level companies or premium level companies are using software applications in their business, but not small companies. I'll give you one example about this. Suppose, I hope all of you know about KFC. Yes or no? Arey speak out.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You know about KFC. In Hyderabad, there is a small bakery. I'm going to compare KFC with bakery here. Suppose I'm going to the KFC, I ordered one burger. Here, if I order one burger, there is a person who is standing in front of the system. He enters my order, he gives some printed token to me. I need to wait for some time. After that, I will get the order. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It means that is KFC people using software applications in their business or not? Yes, they're
Yes.
using software applications in the business. They're having its own systems. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, I'm going to the bakery. Suppose I ordered same burger here, but bakery owner do not maintain any software, do not maintain any systems. He just take the order and give the order to me. That's it. Now tell me, according to this point, what do you understand is why KFC using software applications in their business? Why not bakery? Because KFC has lots of branches across the globe. Sir, no. KFC business turnover in crores.
Yeah.
But whereas bakery business turnover, maximum thousands or lakhs. Yes or no? Very good.
Yes.
That is why KFC can afford what? Setup cost, but not bakery owner. According to this example, what do you understand is only top level companies or premium level companies are using what? Software applications in their business, but not small companies. All of you understand this example, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So tell me, if you decrease the cost, that customers automatically increase or not? Simple business funda. Suppose, take a small example. Right now, I wore, suppose, a Levi's t-shirt. T-shirt? Levi's t-shirt. This cost around 2,000 rupees. Tell me, out of how many people, out of 100 people, how many people can afford for 2,000 rupees for night t-shirt? Maximum
3%.
30%. So 30%. So 30 people can buy. So Levi's company getting how much profit? How much business? Only 60,000 business. Clear all of you? In case Levi's company reduce the t-shirt cost, maybe 500. Okay. Then how many people can buy here?
80%. 80.
How many people we can buy? Or maybe 1,000 rupees.
80.
They reduce. How many people can buy out of 100 people? 90 people can buy. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So he will get how much profit? How much business? 90,000 business. Clear all of you? It means that if you reduce the cost, then customers will increase. If customers will increase, you will get more profit, more revenue. Yes or no? I want immediate response from
Yes,
all
sir.
of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here also we have to reduce the setup cost. If you reduce the cost, then customers automatically increase. Okay, guys. But how to reduce the cost here? How to reduce the cost? That is why vendor companies come up with a new concept name is called something like what? Speak out.
Cloud storage or
computing.
cloud computing.
Cloud computing. It's a concept, or I can say it is a technology. In this technology, in this concept, whatever IT services we require, everything will provided by vendor company. As a user, we just need only what? Internet connection and access those, what is this? Services. This is the meaning of what? Cloud computing. Once again, I'm repeating, guys, listen carefully, all of you. It is a concept or a technology. Whatever IT services we require here, everything will provided by whom here? Vendor company. As a user, we just need only what? Internet connection and access those services. Actually, before I start the class, somebody asking, sir, so what is the configuration laptop I need to use? What I said, make sure that your internet connection should be speed. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Remember, all of you, just now somebody asked before I start the session today.
Yes, sir.
Remember, like that
Yes,
here
sir.
also, the only thing you require is what? Internet connection. If we have the internet connection, every service provided by whom here? Vendor company. Actually, in the traditional system, in the olden days, both clients and development companies, they have to upgrade the software on their own. They have to install the software on their own, and they have to maintain the software on their own. Upgradation, installation, maintenance, everything will be taken care of by clients and development companies. But nowadays, once cloud computing come into the market, upgradation, installation, maintenance, everything will be taken care of by vendor company. That is why the moment cloud computing come into the market, both clients and development companies, they will release the burden from upgrading the software, installing the software, and also maintaining the software. So upgradation, installation, maintenance, everything will be taken care of by vendor company. All of you understand what I am speaking here? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, sir.
For your better understanding, I'm going to give a small example regarding cloud computing. Listen carefully and try to understand this point. Every day, I want to check my mails and also need to take printout. So what I have to do? If I want to check my mails, if I want to take the printout, I need to buy some laptop or not. And also I need to buy some printer. I need to buy some stationery, white papers, etc. And also I need to take some internet connection from ISP. You got all of you. And every month I need to pay the rent for this. Tell me, laptop costs around approximately how much? 50,000. Printer cost approximately 20,000. Stationery approximately 2,000. Internet connection every month I need to pay near about 1,500. Tell me, approximately near about 70 to 80,000 rupees I have to spend or not? No. For just browsing only 5 minutes per day, and also need to take what? Printout. Tell me, investing 80,000 rupees for just browsing the mails and take the printout, I think it's unnecessary for us. Yes or no? Yes. So to avoid this problem, simply, instead of purchasing all these things, simply I'm going to some internet center or any browsing center. Here all of you. There I can check my mails. There I can take the printout. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me,
Anything-
in the internet center, who purchased all the systems? Who purchased the printer? Who purchased the stationery?
Shop
Who took
owner.
the internet connection? Everything is maintained by internet center owner. Yes or no? Speak out. As a user, I simply go there. As a user, I simply go there and access the services. I paid the amount and come back. That's it. Here, everything will be taken care of by internet center owner. Sir, no? In the same way, in the cloud computing is also everything will be taken care of by vendor company.
Vendor company.
Whatever services you require, everything provided by vendor company. And whatever services we are using, for that service only we have to pay. You no need to pay anything extra. Yes or no? This process can be called as a pay-per-use model. What is this?
Pay-per-use model.
Pay-per-use model. Pay-per-use means how much services we are using. For that service only we need to pay. You no need to pay anything extra. That is, it can be called as pay-per-use. Or the other way around, we can call it as plug and play. And also we can also be called as what? IT services on demand. You understand the point clearly?
Yes, sir.
So this is all about what? Cloud computing. Concept is very simple, guys. It's not a rocket science. Even a layman also can easily understand this concept. I hope you understand this example. If you understand this example, you can easily understand what is cloud computing means.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is this clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So let me coming back to the first point. I asked one question to Dheeraj. What is my question here? What is Salesforce? Till now, I'm not getting the answer from anybody. I will tell the answer. What is Salesforce? A Salesforce is a vendor company, just like what? Microsoft, IBM, and all. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. This company CEO is Mark. What is this? Who's this? Mark Benioff.
Benioff.
Yeah, this company runs on the concept name is called
Cloud computing.
cloud computing.
Cloud computing.
So if anybody asks what is Salesforce, what is the answer? A Salesforce is a vendor company like Microsoft, IBM. This company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. This company CEO is Mark Benioff. This company runs on the concept name, it's called cloud computing. This is the background history of Salesforce company. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is a concept or it is a technology. Here, whatever IT services we require, everything provided by a vendor company. As a user, we just need only what? Internet connection and access those services. And whatever services we are using, for that service only we need to pay to vendor company. That is why this can be called as pay-per-use model or plug and play model or IT services on demand model. I hope you understand all these points clearly. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, Dheeraj got a doubt. What is this Dheeraj doubt is? Or you keep on saying that the vendor company provides what? Services. What kind of services vendor company provides? Vendor company basically provides three types of services. How many?
3 types.
Three types. The first type of service can be called as IaaS. The second type of service can be called as PaaS. The third type of service can be called as SaaS, or the other way around, we can call it as what? AAAS. This is clear, all of you. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service, or application as a service. So these are the three services provided by vendor company over the cloud. What are all these services? What is the meaning of infrastructure as a service? What is platform as a service? What is software as a service? Everything we will discuss in tomorrow's session. So in today's session, we just discussed only 2 points. Point number 1 is what is Salesforce? Point number 2 is what is
Cloud computing.
cloud computing. Only these 2 points last 1 hour we discussed. I hope you understand these 2 points. Regarding these 2 points, if anybody have any doubts, you please ask the questions.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Who's this?
This is Janvi.
Yeah, Janvi, go ahead.
Yeah, so the class is going to be every day at the same time.
Yeah, same time, 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock.
Okay, and there's so this weekend there's no class, right?
Saturday, Sunday you don't have class. Saturday have session.
Okay,
6
so
days a
because
week.
okay, I'm joining from Dallas, Texas, so I had the confusion, but thank you.
Now, is this time is amicable for you to attend?
Yes, for the next 2 months, yes.
No problem. Then you can attend. You can continue. So, how you feel about the session, Janvi?
It's quite good, sir. Thank you so much.
So, what about others, guys?
Yes, sir. Your teaching style and storytelling ability is very good. Okay.
Thank you.
Yes.
It
Thank
was
you,
a good
guys.
session, sir.
So I have one question.
Yeah, go ahead.
So I would like to learn only the admin part, Salesforce admin part.
Okay, no problem. You can attend.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Sir, I have a doubt. Okay.
Yeah.
So currently I'm working as a process trainer. Okay. And my graduation is not done. I'm only 12th pass guy. Okay. I am dropout. Okay. BE dropout in a third year. So is this course is helpful for me if I want to join any IT company?
Not required.
I'm
This
living
course,
in Indore. Okay.
this is enough for you guys. It's enough for you. And
Sorry?
I will tell you one important point. Okay.
Mhm.
Down the line, next 10 years, sales was very good in the market.
Yes, sir. Sir, just pardon, sir. Sir, just allow me a minute. Okay. So this course is helpful for me, yes. Or is there any entry barrier for the graduation guys?
Yeah, that is helpful for you. No problem.
Okay. Thanks, sir.
No problem.
I have a question. Salesforce, we understand like Salesforce from product point of view and other things. You explained very nicely. Thank you very much for that. Do we have any competitor in terms of like what services Salesforce provide? And
Yeah, there are so many competitors are there because almost everybody in cloud only. In Oracle, Amazon, Microsoft.
So, so mostly like all the customized service provider, all the customized product product providers are like other competitor of Salesforce.
So,
Yes,
sir,
obviously. But the point
AWS and
is, what is your
Salesforce
name?
both are the same service. Both are the same type of services. AWS and
Yeah,
Salesforce.
almost every company provide all three services, but each company is top in one area. For example, Amazon company is top #1 company in case of what? Infrastructure as well. Point clear?
Infrastructure as well as PaaS also, or like only
No,
for
Amazon company is the top #1 in case of infrastructure, not PaaS. But which is the company, #1 company in the area of PaaS is Salesforce. And Google company is the top #1 company in the world, which gives what? PaaS area. That is why, see, you know about Gmail. Gmail application developed by Google company. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me 99% people having Gmail account nowadays. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So software as service or application service means vendor company directly providing application service to all of us. That kind of service you can call it as application service. Point clear. So Amazon company is the top #1 company in the case of what? Infrastructure. Salesforce company is the world #1 company in the world in case of platform. Google company is the #1 company in the world in the area of what? Application service.
Sir, Salesforce is not a SaaS-based application. You have to say.
Sorry?
Salesforce is not a SaaS-based application. You have to say.
No, Salesforce provided one platform.
Okay.
The platform name is called force.com. What is the platform name?
Force.com.
On this platform, as a developer, we can develop application.
Okay.
And whatever application you develop, that application you can directly give as a service to all of us. That kind of service, we can call it as what? Application as service.
Okay.
I hope you understand this point.
Yes, sir.
Old name can be called as force.com. A new name can be called as writing platform.
So, Sai, if Oracle comes very close to Salesforce in terms of PaaS?
Actually, Salesforce using database, Oracle database on the back end.
Right, but when it comes to the front end, right, it's more of the customization. Sorry if I'm dragging you, or like if I'm just deviating from the main point. You can skip this question.
No problem, no problem. Go ahead, you can ask.
Yeah, so my only curiosity is like to know, I understand like it's more from the platform, right? The backend would be it could be clubbed of all jargons, IT jargons, I could call it as. It could be Oracle, it could be DB2, it could be Sybase or anything SQL Server, but ultimately it's like
But
how we are
Salesforce,
presenting.
Salesforce exclusively used backend database Oracle only.
Okay, thank you for
And
that.
front end, they are using Apex programming language.
So ultimately, how we are presenting the data to the customer or to the client, and which way how conveniently like we are presenting it to the business. Now that's where like my question is coming to, like, okay, Salesforce is one of very powerful tool in that way, but do we have any when you say like 10 years, right, is like say passes. So do we see someone else is also like chasing Salesforce or like coming very close to it?
Yeah, there are many companies are competitors for Salesforce company.
Dynamics,
okay.
Siebel.
Okay, there are so many companies are there, but ultimately what happens is Salesforce given the very strongest platform for the developers, on which developer can develop application very quickly. That's it, can be called as RAD. RAD stands for Rapid Application Development. I'll give you an example. Suppose. So if you want to develop any kind of enterprise application that is shown like this, enterprise application is a combination of 3 different applications: business application, plus CRM application, plus integration application. Understand? If you want to develop the enterprise application using some Java or .NET or Python, you take any technology apart from Salesforce, it takes minimum 4 to 5 years time.
Understand?
Minimum to minimum. Understand? Excuse me. Someone need to mute, please. It takes minimum 4 to 5 years time. The same kind of application, if you want to develop on platform, force.com, on Salesforce, we can develop maximum 8 to 9 months of time. Understand this point clearly? No? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So how it is possible? Because Salesforce internally supports 10 different technologies. How many?
10 different technologies.
Yeah. Because of that reason, Salesforce is very top number in the position compared to other companies.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir,
No problem.
One question is that. Hello. Sir, one question is that each Apex programming language is used for front end only.
Yeah, Apex programming language is meant for business purpose, business logic purpose. Front end, we are using Visual Force.
And supposed to backend for JavaScript and Node.js. Am I right?
Backend database they are using.
Okay.
Front end, they are using what? Visual Force. In JavaScript, we are using JavaScript in Lightning part.
Okay.
Lightning, we are using what? JavaScript.
Sir, one question. One question is
actually,
the content.
I'm sorry, guys, because immediately I have another session for US company people. They're waiting for me.
Sir,
So,
one last question.
Yeah.
So the content which you are going to tell in next 3 months, is it for the real time people so that the people can after joining the company they can manage, right?
Why not?
Okay.
Undoubtedly.
So I have a question.
Yeah, who's this?
This is Janvi again.
Yeah, Janvi, tell me.
So the once if we are through this course, is it can we give examination and for admin?
At the end of every module, I'm going to conduct a small interview kind of thing. I'm going to discuss about interview questions.
Okay.
And also I'm going to take some practice test.
Okay, that's awesome, sir. But my question is that once we finish this whole course, can we be confident enough to take the certification for admin app developer PD1?
Obviously.
Okay.
I'll give the dumps also. I already told you.
Yes, sir. Thank you so
Certification
much.
dumps I'll give you.
Awesome. Thank you.
Sir, will you teach LWC or just Aura components?
Aura components I will cover. LWC is separate batch.
Separate batch.
Sir, for Aura components,
we have to pay extra for LWC.
See, I have only 2 years. I can hear only one person at a time.
Sorry. Sorry. My question is for LWC we have to pay extra.
Yes, it is separate batch. It's not covered. LWC is not covering here.
Okay.
So the 6 modules will continue initially is configuration, now development, then integration, like that, or any difference?
Actually, if you want to go through rest of all the 5 modules, before that everybody should learn or should have the knowledge on configuration. Without configuration, you cannot go to any other module. Point clear?
Yeah.
Generally, this is my way of explanation. This is the flow I am following generally.
Development and integration part. So after configuration, development integration will come, right? So that's why I'm asking.
After configuration, generally development and integration and administration I am following. This is my order I am following. But some people request me, sir, after configuration, please let me start administration. I want to go for administration side like this. So based on
I have a doubt. Okay. Suppose post this course, we need to buy some another course like the development or integration or administration.
Nothing. Everything is covered here only.
Okay. Everything is covered in this, 6 steps.
Yes. Okay. It already told you how many modules I'm going to cover in your syllabus.
But you said LWC is different.
LWC is different. Lightning is different. Lightning I'm covering cover only Aura components.
So we need to buy one more courses for this.
One more course means which course you want?
I think you told this thing na ki you need to learn lighting in another session or
that is LWC. That is totally different topic.
LWC is totally different. Okay, sir.
Sir,
if you want to go for LWC, if you have the knowledge in Aura components, you can understand LWC easily.
Okay, hello. We don't have any more.
Understand? 1 minute, guys. 1 minute, please. 1 minute, please, all of you.
Hello. Sir, I need a hello. Hello.
He just got a call.
The people are waiting for me, guys. The other batch people.
Sir, LWC.
Hey guys, if you have any, it said it takes LWC takes 40 days time, guys.
14
Sir, I have a question, sir. Hello.
See, if you have any questions, we'll continue tomorrow, guys. Sorry.
Sir, the CPQ is. Sir, I need one question, sir.
Yeah,
CPQ are going to teach, sir. CPQ.
CPQ is totally different. Without having this knowledge, you cannot go for CPQ, man. For this, we need to buy a separate server for that.
Okay.
So that is very expensive, actually.
Okay.
You want to, I will teach you CPQ, no problem.
Okay.
Sir, hello.
Okay.
Yes, sir. My name is Deepthi. I'm from California. Do you teach in other time also? Because it's a little bit early for me.
So I think it's night 8 o'clock means for you it's morning 9:30. I hope so. Is it right?
No, it's 6:30 for me in the morning.
Oh.
And it's 10:30 for me, sir, here in the morning.
Sir, do you have any morning batches? Which is
I will start a new batch morning, but very soon because I'm occupying some other batches morning time. I'm quite busy from evening morning 5 o'clock onwards. That is the reason. You have to wait another at least 1 month.
Okay. Sure. Thank you, sir.
So what is my suggestion is please continue. in this batch. The moment I started the new batch, I will let you know. You can join in the batch. No problem.
So do you have any batches starting
Thank you, sir.
for the evening?
Sir, you
5
said
o'clock?
after Pongal you will start a morning batch. Is it already started or?
It's not yet started. I will tell you.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Thank you very much. I hope you understand and you enjoy the session today.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
What about
Thank
others,
you,
guys?
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir, for this wonderful session.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. I'll catch you tomorrow, same time, 8 o'clock.
Sure, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So the last class we discussed about is everyone can view my screen now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
So let me recap the points again. Just
Yes, sir.
I will start the today's session.
Sir.
Hello.
Yeah.
Can you give overview of yesterday's session?
Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah, thank you.
Is anyone joined today? So in the last class, we discussed about two important points. What is Salesforce? Second point is what is cloud computing? So these are the two important points in the last class we discussed. Just try to recap all the points. Salesforce. Salesforce is a vendor company like Microsoft, IBM, Oracle. Like these companies, Salesforce is also a vendor company. Company started in 1999, San Francisco, California, USA. Company CEO is Mark Benioff. This is the background history of Salesforce company. This company runs on the concept called cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing, someone need to mute please. Some noise around you. Mr. Dattatray.
Yes, sir.
Please mute. Thank you. So what is cloud computing? Cloud computing, it is a concept. Or I can say it is a technology. Cloud computing is a concept or a technology. Here, whatever IT services we require or we need, everything will be provided by vendor company. As a user, we just need only internet connection and access those services. What are IT services here? IT services means they will provide hardware and also they will provide what? Both they provided as a service. The client and development companies. So if you want to use these services, the only thing you require is what? Internet connection. That is enough to access what? All these services. So in traditional approach, in the olden days, both the clients and development companies, they have to keep on upgrading software. They have to keep on installing the software. They have to maintain the software. Upgradation, installation, maintenance. Everything will be taken care of by client and development companies in the traditional ways and the traditional approach, I can say. But once cloud computing come into the market, upgradation, installation, maintenance, everything will be taken care of by vendor company. So as a user, we just need only internet connection. We can access these services. So this is what exact meaning of what? Cloud computing. So these are the two important points in the last class we discussed. I hope you understand, you remember all these topics. Or no? Now let us start the today's session, guys. But what kind of services vendor company provides to the clients and development companies? Vendor company basically provides 3 types of services over the cloud. What are those services? The first service can be called as IaaS. The second service can be called as PaaS. The third service can be called as something like what? SaaS or IaaS. IaaS stands for infrastructure as a service. PaaS stands for platform as a service. And SaaS stands for software or application as a service. So these are the 3 different services provided by vendor company over the cloud. So first let me discuss about infrastructure as a service. Infrastructure as a service means here vendor company provides hardware. Hardware means networks, database servers, memory space. Everything belongs to what? Hardware only. Here vendor company provides hardware as a service to the clients and development companies. That kind of service, we can call it as what? Infrastructure as a service. Once again, I'm repeating, guys. Here vendor company provides what? Hardware as a service. Hardware means what? They will provide the networks, they will provide servers, and also they will provide what? Their memory space. Especially memory space I'm talking here. For your better understanding, I'm giving a simple example about this. Try to understand what I'm speaking here, guys. I hope all of you know about Google Drive. Google Drive is the best example for what? Infrastructure as a service. Tell me, what is the advantage of Google Drive? In the Google Drive, we can
store the data.
You can store your information, you can store your pictures, audio, video clippings, whatever you have, you can upload. Tell me, guys, a simple question I'm asking. Google Drive memory space provided by whom? Company. Tell me.
Google
Company. Yes or no?
company called as Google.
Company provided their memory space as a service to all of us, where we can store our information, where we can upload our files, where we can upload your pictures, video, audio clippings, everything we can store here. Yes or no? So we are going to use a Google company memory space as a service. This kind of service, we can call it as what? Infrastructure as a service.
IaaS.
Yes, I hope you understand this example clearly. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So here, Amazon company is a top number 1 company.
Also comes under the SaaS.
No, SaaS is different.
Okay.
SaaS is different. Amazon company is the top #1 company in the world which gives infrastructure as a service. Once again, I'm repeating. Amazon company is the top #1 company in the world which gives infrastructure as a service. The second type of service can be called as platform as a service. Platform as a service. What is the meaning of a platform here? As a developer, if you want to develop any application, whether it's bigger application or a smaller application, suppose take the example of enterprise application. Enterprise application is a combination of 3 different applications. That is business application, plus a CRM application, and also we have something like what? Integration application. The comprising of all the 3 applications, we can call it as what? Enterprise application. If you want to develop enterprise application as a developer, you need minimum 3 things. You need some programming language, you need some database, and also you need some operating system. Without having these 3, it is not possible to develop any application for any client. So here, vendor company provides programming language, database, operating system as a service to the clients and development companies. Then that kind of service, we can call it as platform as a service. Salesforce is the top #1 company in the world which gives platform as a service in the world. There are so many companies in the world. Out of so many companies, Salesforce company is the top #1 company, gives the best platform for the developers on which developers can develop the application very quickly and very fastly. If you want to develop enterprise application by using Java technology or maybe .NET technology or maybe something like Python, you take any technology, it takes a minimum 4 to 5 years time to develop the complete enterprise application. The same kind of application, if you want to develop on platform given by Salesforce, on which we can develop the application within maximum 8 to 10 months of time. That much of duration is, that much of time duration is difference. Clear, all of you? That is the reason in all over the world, the clients are interested to go for what? Salesforce side only. The platform name, which is given by Salesforce, is called force.com. What is the platform name?
Force.com.
Force.com is a platform name which is given by Salesforce, on which developers can develop the application very quickly. That is why it can be called as RAD. RAD stands for Rapid Application Development. If you want to develop the application on Force.com platform, okay, we can develop the application very quickly and comparatively what other technologies. Is anyone know about Java here? Any Java developers here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. What is your name?
Yes, Sabyasachi, sir.
Sabyasachi. Your belongs to?
Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Odisha, sir. Bhubaneswar.
Okay, Bhubaneswar, fine. Mr. Sabyasachi here, please listen carefully. For your understanding purpose, rest of the people listen carefully. We have front end. What is that?
Front end, sir.
We have front end and we have something like what? Back end. Back end means what? Take out.
Database. Programming language.
The end user always sitting in the front end, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So through which end user is going to interact. Suppose end user is going to feed some data through end front end, and whatever data is fed, this data finally stores into where? Backend. Yes, sir.
Backend part. Yes, sir.
So if you want to give this kind of functionality in Java, I'm talking about Java developers here. At least you have to write minimum 500 lines of code. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I want to insert the data through form. Whatever data I'm entering in the form, the data finally stores into backend database. If you want to get this functionality, in Java or .NET, the programmers or developers need to write a minimum how many lines code?
500 lines.
500 lines code. For the same kind of functionality, we can get through what? Force.com platform within 30 lines code. Understand all of you? How much code? Only 30 lines.
Okay.
That much of length is going to decrease here. The program length. I will show you right now here. I will show you right now. Everybody please look at the screen and try to understand. Let me log in first. So this is the front end form, yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me how many text boxes I placed? 4.
Full text.
And how many buttons I placed? 2 buttons.
2 buttons.
Here I am going to enter the employee details. So let me enter the name like Vivek. Salary, let me give 90,000. Department number 20 I given. Job, let me give manager. I click on save button. Understand? This record gets inserted in where?
In database.
Here, let me refresh. Record gets inserted or not?
Yes, inserted.
Inserted.
Yes,
Tell
sir.
me how many lines code I written? Hardly I written how many lines?
27. 22.
30 lines.
30 lines. Yes,
Do
sir.
the
Yes, sir.
screenshot also.
Yes, sir.
How many lines? 28 lines only.
Yes.
The same kind of functionality if you want to get in Java or .NET. Sabyasachi, tell me, you are the only witness for this. Or no?
Yes, sir.
How many lines of code we have to write minimum? Near to 400 to
Sir,
500 lines.
400, 500 lines, sir.
We have to import so many utilities. We
Yes,
have to
sir.
import so many libraries. Yes or no?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
but we should write a logic for that, no?
Not
Like
required. Logic
insert-
is also not required. Everything will be taken care by Salesforce only.
Okay.
That is the beauty of what Salesforce here. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Hardly how many lines are written here? Only 28 lines. That is why the people who don't know about programming also, they can easily understand what Salesforce. That is the reason. That is the reason we can develop the application very quickly. That is the reason it can be called as what? RAD. RAD stands for Rapid Application Development. Excuse me, Sandeep Kumar Gupta, please mute. Sandeep Kumar, I'm requesting all of you in the classroom. Once we started the session, please sit in a separate room. Don't sit in the crowded places. I'm requesting all of you in the class because if you sit in the crowded places, it is getting disturbance for you and as well as others also.
Yes, sir.
I'm requesting all of you in the classroom. Tomorrow onwards, please sit in a separate room without any noise. I don't want to hear any kind of noise here in the classroom. Clear, everyone? What is this
Hello.
nonsense? Hello, excuse me. Who is 1WM DWO? Who's this guy? What is your name? Starts with P here. All of you understand, guys. That is why we can develop the application very quickly in what? Salesforce. I hope you understand this example. Sir, no?
Hello. Hello.
Oh, yeah. Tell me.
Yes, sir. Actually, if I want to for rendering some data, in that purpose, I have to write some logic, or Salesforce will take care of that rendering.
Yeah, that I will tell you what is logic and all. I will tell you. This is not the right room to discuss about that. Sir, no? Hello.
Yes, sir. Got it.
I will tell you how to write the logic and all. Okay.
Okay.
I'm just showing how the application is running.
Okay, sir.
Clear, all of you?
Okay.
Very good. So platform as service means what? Here vendor company provides what? Programming language, database, operating system as a service to the clients and development companies. Then that kind of service we can call it as what? Platform as service. Here Salesforce company is the top #1 company in the world, which gives the best platform in the world. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
And whatever application you developed on platform, if you give that application directly as service to the clients and development companies, then that kind of service can be called as what? Software as a service or application as a service. Means here vendor company provides application directly as a service to the clients and also development companies. That kind of service we can call it as what? Software as a service, or the other way around, we can call it as what? Application as a service. Here, Google company is the top #1 company in the world, which gives what? Application as a service. Why? Because people are using what? Email application. Yes or no?
Yes.
Email is an application or not?
Yes.
And this email application developed by which company?
Google.
And if you want to use this application, what do you require?
Internet connection.
Only internet connection. That is enough to access what? Gmail application. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Email application developed by Google company, automatically updated by Google company, and installed by Google company. Everything will be taken care by Google company. They designed this application. They given this application as what? As a service to all of us. We are directly using this application. This kind of service we can call it as what? Software as a service or application as a service. Like that, vendor company provides 3 types of services over the cloud. The first type of service we can call it as infrastructure as a service. Second type of service can be called as platform as a service. The third type of service can be called as software as a service or application as a service. I hope you understand all these 3 services.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Tell me for my satisfaction, which company is the #1 company in the area of infrastructure as a service?
Amazon.
Amazon. Case of PaaS?
Yes, CRM. Salesforce.
In case of SaaS?
Google.
Google company. Good. Shall I go for next topic?
Yes, sir.
Sir, hello, sir.
Have any doubts, guys? I'm requesting all of you. If you have any doubts, you please ask me at the end of the session. I'll give the time. Okay. Likita, please mute. Nara Likita, please mute. Thank you. So the next topic, what I'm going to discuss is Salesforce developed on different clouds. The next topic, what I'm going to discuss is Salesforce clouds. What are the Salesforce clouds here? The first type of cloud is marketing cloud. Second one is Sales Cloud.
Cloud.
The other one is Service Cloud. Fourth one is Force.com. Next one is Data.com. Database.com. Something like Health Cloud. Commerce Cloud. Einstein Cloud. Like that, there are so many clouds given by Salesforce. So let me discuss one by one here. And one important point I need to tell at this particular point of time, listen carefully and try to understand. Nobody asking any kind of question from these clouds at the time of entry. Out of the box, I'm discussing this. As a Salesforce professional, you should know about all these things. That is the reason I'm going to discuss about all these clouds. Listen carefully and try to understand. So let me start with Marketing Cloud. Marketing Cloud is an application. This application related to marketing. And whereas Sales Cloud is also an application, this application related to sales. And Service Cloud is also an application. It is related to service, or the other way around, we can call it as what? So like that, Marketing Cloud, Sales Cloud, and Service Cloud. All these three applications are related to marketing, sales, and service. Marketing plus sales plus service. All these three combination, we can call it as CRM. What does CRM stands for?
Customer Relationship Manager.
It's not manager.
Management.
Customer Relationship
Management.
Management. Or the other way around, management relationship with the customer. Tell me which is correct. Is customer relationship management is correct, or management relationship with customer is correct?
Both are
management relationship.
Abbreviation point of view, customer relationship management is correct, but the inner meaning of CRM is management relationship with
management.
Why? Because for every business, who is most important?
Customer.
Customer is most important. Yes or no, all of you? So without
Yes,
customer,
Yes, sir.
without customer, there is no business, there is no company, and there is no management. Yes or no?
yeah. Answer.
Mr. Realme, Ramakrishna, everybody please mute. Rest of all the people please mute, okay? So management need to maintain the good relationship with whom here? Customer. Because without customer, there is no management there. There is no business, there is no company also. That is why management need to maintain the amicable relationship, friendly relationship, healthy relationship with whom here? Customer. Am I clear this point?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
So what is the goal of CRM here? The goal of CRM is retain the existing customer, and grab the new customer to our business. Once again, I'm repeating, guys. What is the goal of CRM? Goal of CRM is retain the existing customer and grab the new customer into our business. For your better understanding, first of all, tell me what is the meaning of retain? Retain means
Someone who
always
Maintain.
the existing customer is always stick with the company. Yes or no? or stick with the product.
Yes.
That is the meaning of what? Retaining. But when the existing customer is always stick with the company, when the existing customer is always stick with the company, by providing what?
Good
Good
services.
product or
Good
what is this? Quality product. Yes or
Correct.
no?
Yeah.
Product to the customer.
And customer.
Second important point is, after selling the product to the customer, we have to give what? Good
Services.
service to the customer. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If you do not provide the good service to the customer, then existing customer will not happy. In case if the existing customer not happy, we will not get the new customer into the business. All of you understand this point?
Yes.
Hello?
Sir. Yes. Sir.
So we have to maintain these to keep on. What is that? We need to provide what? Always quality product to the customer. And also we have to provide what? Good service to the customer. For your better understanding, I'm giving very elaborate example. Just try to understand what I'm speaking here. Using this example or by this example, you can easily understand the importance of CRM. Understand everyone here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Listen to the class
Yes,
very
sir.
carefully. This example is very important for you. Tell me, India won World Cup in 1983. Cricket World Cup. First time, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Under Kapil Dev captaincy.
Yeah.
You know about history, yes or no?
Sir.
India won first World Cup in cricket in 1983 under Kapil Dev captaincy. At that particular point of time, I'm talking at that particular point of time, 40 years back. Okay. So very few people having TVs. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But to what kind of TVs? Black and white TVs only.
Yes, sir.
Is anyone remember the company names, TV company names?
BPL.
Solid.
Konak TV.
Konak TV, very good. Konak TV, BPL,
Onida.
Onida, sir no?
Videocon.
Solid, Videocon. These are very old companies, yes or no? Tell me why
Yes,
these
sir.
companies are not available in the market? Nowadays,
Yeah.
the TV market is completely dominated by Sony, LG, and
Marketing.
Samsung, yes or no?
Yes,
These
sir.
are the three companies are dominating the TV market. Accepted all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
But why these companies are not available in the market?
Those
Because
companies are not providing any service to the
they,
customers.
they have not provided the services and they have not updated.
They are not satisfying customers, sir.
there are, yeah, that is correct. There are two reasons. The first reason is they cannot compete with what? What is this?
Technology.
Technology. And also they do not provide any service to the what?
Customer.
At that particular point of time, the management, the business people attitude is they're always focused on what? Marketing and sales. They never focus on what?
Services.
Service. Once they sold the product to the customer, they never care about the customer problems. That is the reason these companies are completely collapsed. For example, I'm talking about 40 years back matter. I'm a business person. I have a TV company. My own TV company is there. My company name is called Durga TV. What is the TV name?
Durga TV.
Yeah. Okay. So suppose, Vivek, are you there in the class? Vivek.
Yes, sir, I am there.
Yeah. So Vivek is a cricket lover. I'm talking about 40 years back matter. The 1983 World Cup is going to start maybe next 10 days. And he's planning to buy a TV. And one fine morning, he opened the newspaper. He saw Durga TV advertisement in the paper. Then immediately he likes the TV. He went to the TV showroom. He bought this TV. Understand all of you?
Yes, sir.
After paying the amount at the counter, he has to bring back the TV on his own by rickshaw or auto. And also he has to hire some technician or electrician and that electrician is going to fix the TV in his house. Some antenna kind of thing and all. Sir, no? Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
At that particular point of time, we have only one channel. That is
Antenna.
Durga only.
Yes, sir. Of course.
Remember all of you. Let us go back to 40 years. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. So, and Vivek enjoying the TV, enjoying the World Cup. Okay. This TV is working fine up to 1 year. After 1 year, the TV got some problem. At that particular point of time, what we have to do, he has to take the TV to the TV mechanic, and that TV mechanic is going to rectify the problem. Again, he has to bring back the TV. Again, he's watching the TV. Maybe after 3 months, the TV got some other problem. Again, he has to take back the TV to the TV mechanic, and that TV mechanic is going to rectify the problem. Again, he has to bring back the TV. He's watching the TV. Maybe after 3 months, the TV got some other problem. Like that, whenever the TV has some problem, what he has to do, every time he has to take back the TV to the TV mechanic, and that TV mechanic is going to rectify the problem and bring back the TV. Tell me, as a customer, are you really happy with this product?
No, sir.
No, he never. Clear, all of you. Speak out, guys. Good.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
there
sir.
is another person. Okay. He is a neighbor. His name is Vinay, and Vinay is a neighbor of Vivek. And Vinay is also planning to buy a TV. So before he's going to buy the Durga TV, he's asking about the feedback about the TV or not.
Yes, sir.
Tell me,
Of course.
Vivek, what kind of feedback they're giving to Vinay? Don't go for this TV, this stupid company. The
Yes,
product
sir.
is not good. I'm fed up with the TV. Okay. So I also planning to change the TV.
He will give
What
negative
kind of
feedback.
feedback you have given? So definitely Vinay is not going to buy this TV. Yes or no?
Of course.
Yes, sir.
Means that existing customer not happy, then obviously next customer is not coming to the picture. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear, all of you. So why it is all happening? They do not provide any kind of
Services.
service.
Services.
Durga TV people do not provide any service to the customer.
Services.
Service to the customers.
But today's scenario completely changed. Suppose today Vivek went to TV showroom, Sony company, and he bought this TV worth of 1 lakh. He paid the amount at the counter. Immediately he got SMS on his mobile. Yes or no? Saying that congratulations, you are the family member of what? Sony TV and all.
Sony
Yes
TV.
or no? Then
Yes, sir.
he no need to bring back the TV on his own. The TV showroom owner is going to send the TV to his home. Along with the TV, he is also sending what? Some technician. And that technician is going to fix the TV at his home. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes,
And
sir.
that technician is going
exactly.
to, and that technician is going to demonstrate the TV, how to start the TV, how to off the TV, how to browse the channels and all. And after that, after fixation, that technical person provided on number, Mr. Vivek, if you got any problem, you no need to panic yourself. You please call this number. Our customer technical executive come to your place and rectify the problem. Okay, like that he told. Suppose this TV is working fine. Maybe after 2 years, the TV got some problem. Then what he has to do? Simply call to that number. That call goes to where? Speak out.
Call center.
Call center or customer
Technician.
care,
Customer service.
which is maintained by Sony company. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Customer service point.
Yes. Now suppose I'm the customer care executive, I lift the phone. The Vivek lodged the complaint. So 2 years back, I bought this TV. The TV is not working fine. So please send some technical person. So I said that, sorry, sir, sorry for the inconvenience. I lodged your complaint and this is the ticket number. Within 48 hours of time, our technical person will come to your home and rectify the problem. Like that, given the assurance. Understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
So within 48 hours of time, from Sony company, okay, they will send some technical person. That technical person is going to rectify the TV problem and problem will solve it. Clear, all of you? Tell me,
Yes, sir.
because of
Yes.
this service, this customer is happy or not?
Yes,
Happy.
sir.
Definitely.
Because it is under warranty, no need to pay a single paisa. Yes, sir?
Yeah.
Yes.
Clear, all of
Yeah,
you?
of course.
Tell me, when is also planning to buy this TV? Tell me what kind of feedback is given to Vinay?
They given positive feedback.
Positive feedback, good feedback. So this TV very good. Okay, if you have any problem, no, they will provide good service also. So definitely Vinay is going to buy the same TV only. Because of what? Existing customer feedback. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if you provide the good service to the customer, definitely customer is going to be happy. Once customer is happy, then automatically new customer come into the business. All of you understand?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is the goal of what?
CRM.
CRM. I hope all of you understand this elaborate example.
Yes.
Sir.
So after marketing and sales, we have to focus on what? Service also. So the combination of marketing and sales and service, we can call it as what?
CRM.
Yes. Next, the fourth cloud name is called what? Force.com. What is Force.com here? Force.com, I already told you, it's a platform which is given by Salesforce to the developers, on which developers can develop the application as per the client's requirement. The platform name is called what? Force.com. Next, data.com. Data.com, it is a place where we can get complete information, about the clients in the world. In the entire world, whoever clients are there, all the clients information we can get in where? Data.com. So database.com, it contains information about the Salesforce company. That is all about what? Database.com. And next one, Health Cloud. What is Health Cloud here? Health Cloud, it's a place where we can maintain the relation between the doctor and what is this? Patient. Clear all of you. So using this cloud, patient can take the appointment from the doctor, and also he can come across to know that some information regarding his problem. So everything is available in where here? Health Cloud. Next, Commerce Cloud. What is Commerce Cloud here? Commerce Cloud means it is related to B2B business and also B2C business. B2B means business to business and B2C means business to customer. Clear all of you?
Yes, sir.
So I give an example yesterday. I hope all of you know about KFC. When you go to the KFC, is KFC selling soft drinks or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Like Coke, Pepsi, Fanta and all. Tell me, is Coke, Pepsi, Fanta, these are the soft drinks are manufactured by KFC company?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Coke is manufactured by some other company. But KFC giving the business to what? Coke company, Coca-Cola company. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here one business
To another business.
giving the one company giving the business to what? Another company. Yes or no?
Another businesses. Yes.
So that is called what? B2B. B2C means what? Business to consumer. All of you understand?
Yes, sir.
So B2B and B2C business is maintained by what? Commerce Cloud. And what is the next one here? Einstein Cloud. Einstein Cloud means the combination of AI plus IoT. What does IoT stands for?
Internet of Things.
Internet of Things. Internet of Things. What is Internet of Things here? Internet of Things means machine to machine communication. This machine to machine communication means, suppose I want to switch on AC in my bedroom. If I want to switch on my AC in my bedroom, generally we need to use AC remote. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But without using AC remote, also using my mobile, I can start my AC. Yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
AC is one machine, my mobile is another machine. This machine is going to communicate with what? Another machine. This is possible through what?
IoT.
IoT.
Next one is what? AA. AA stands for artificial intelligence.
Artificial.
Machine can understand what?
Machine language.
Machine can understand human language. Clear, all of you? Best example for this what? Alexa. Hope you know about Alexa. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So whichever song you want, she can play. Or you know about Siri. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
It is developed by iPhone.
Yeah, it is used by iPhone, iOS operating system. Yes or no?
Android.
Alexa is Android. Amazon people are using what? Alexa. Read all of you.
Yes, sir. Clear.
So it is comes under what? Artificial intelligence. So like that, these are mini clouds given by what? Sales cloud. Sorry, Salesforce. What is that? Marketing cloud, sales cloud, service cloud, force.com, data.com, database.com, and health cloud, Einstein cloud, like mini clouds given by Salesforce. I hope all of you understand all these clouds. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear,
The
sir.
next topic, what I'm going to discuss is Salesforce partners. What is that? Salesforce partners. Actually, there are three partners of Salesforce. One is developer dot
हो झालं सांगितलं.
hello. Developer.force.com. The second one is teamforce.com. Next one is what here? appexchange.com. So let me discuss one by one here. Developerforce.com. What is developerforce.com? Developerforce.com is a technical guide for whom? Developers. If developer open this guide, then developer can come across to know that the strength and potentiality of the Salesforce company, and also on force.com platform, developer, what he can develop, how he can develop, and what we can achieve. Everything he can come across once you open what? Developerforce.com. So once again, I'm repeating, guys, listen carefully, all of you. Developerforce.com is a technical guide to the developers. Once developer open this guide, he can come across to know that the strength and potentiality of the Salesforce company, and also on force.com platform, what we can develop, how we can develop, and what we can achieve. I will show you right now. Look at this. Before developerforce.com, I will show you one important thing here. I hope everybody know about Facebook. Everybody having Facebook account, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Definitely.
What I'm typing in the URL, facebook.com. Okay. Press enter button. Tell me. Here I need to enter what? My email address. Password, login.
Phone number and password.
Very good. Now tell me, Facebook point of view, who am I at expected point of time? I'm the end user or not?
Yes, sir.
I'm the end user. I'm using this application. I'm using this
application.
So this is called a SaaS side. What is this? SaaS. Software as a service or application as a service. So this is the SaaS side of Facebook. I can say this is what? SaaS side of Facebook. Yeah. Open this. Another tab. Developer dot. I think you never typed in your life before. Developer dot. What is this? Facebook.com. Have you ever typed this one? Developer.facebook.com?
No, sir.
No, sir. No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Not it.
Sir, no.
I think this is the community for the
It's
Facebook.
not community. It's a PaaS site. It's a developer's place where developers can sit and develop the Facebook application. See here. 10 minutes. Look at this, all of you. What is this?
Developer support.
Developer support. This is PaaS side of what? Facebook. This is what?
Pass side. Pass side.
PaaS side of Facebook. I think you never opened this site anywhere before. Yes or no?
No, sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. Like that. Like that. You know about Instagram? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Open Instagram. Here also I need to enter my phone number, username, password. Yes or no? Now tell me,
Yes, sir.
this is SaaS side of Instagram or PaaS side of Instagram?
SaaS side of Instagram.
Because I'm the end user. Developer dot. What is this?
Instagram.com.
Dot. Spelling correct? Or we can use you know about LinkedIn, yes or no?
Yes, LinkedIn.
It's also social website. Tell me, here also I need to enter my username and password. Yes or no?
Password.
I need to
Yes,
click on
sir.
sign in. This is a SaaS side of what?
Yeah.
LinkedIn.
Yes, sir.
Now, developer dot linkedin.com. This is what? PaaS side
Pass
of?
side.
Side of
First side.
What is the button here?
create.
Create app.
Create app.
Tell me, who will create the apps? End users or developers?
Developer.
Developer.
Developers can create the application, not end users. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
This is the PaaS side of LinkedIn, and this is the SaaS side of LinkedIn. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Like that. Developer dot, what is this? Force.com means it's a developer's environment. This is a PaaS side of Salesforce. Look at this. Salesforce developers. Home. What is this? Documentation. API. Discover. Look at this. Platform. Just now we discussed about this. What is this?
Commerce Cloud.
Commerce Cloud.
Commerce Cloud.
Einstein Cloud. Marketing Cloud. Sales Cloud. Service Cloud. MuleSoft.
MuleSoft.
It is related to integration. MuleSoft is a separate company.
Integration.
Recently, Salesforce company take over this company for strengthen what? Integration.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understand all of you? MuleSoft is a separate company actually. It is recently take over with Salesforce company for increasing for strengthen the integration. Stack.
Yeah.
What is the next one here?
W.
W is reporting
W.
purpose. Apex programming language. LWC, writing web components. Salesforce flows. Developers experience. Heroku, mobile SDK, LWC. So there are so many things we can see here. Einstein. Just now we discussed about it.
Yes, sir.
Clear all of you. So if you click on sign up,
Yeah.
we can create the account here. So this is the developerforce.com. Am I clear this point, everyone? Hello?
Yeah.
It's a technical guide for whom here?
Developer.
Next, dreamforce.com. What is Dreamforce? Dreamforce.com means every year Salesforce conducted some event. Event name is called dreamforce.com. In this event, across the world, company CEOs, company CTOs, company COOs, company CFOs, MVPs. MVP stands for most valuable persons. All these people are coming together, grouped together. They can exchange their ideas in this event. Like that, every year Salesforce conducted this event. The event name is called what here? Dreamforce.com. Even last year, 2021 also, Salesforce conducted this event in September. I will show you. Dreamforce 2021 event. Look at this. Salesforce Dreamforce 2021 conference event dates. It is conducting on September 21st, 2021 to September 23rd, 2021. 2 days they conducted. Like that, every year Salesforce conducted this event. The event name is called what? Dreamforce.
Dreamforce.
You know who is he?
CEO of Salesforce.
CEO.
He's a founder
His
of
name is Mark Benioff.
Mark Benioff.
The Salesforce company owner. Clear, all of you?
Yeah.
Good. The last and final one, appexchange.com. Appexchange.com, it is a place where developers can sell the applications, and whereas clients will buy the point. Clear, all of you? Appexchange.com is a place where developers can sell the applications and also clients will buy the applications. So selling and buying is happening in where? Appexchange.com.
Apex.com.
It's a trading place, I can say. What is this?
Trading place.
It's a trading place where we can buy and sell the applications. I can say it is nothing but your app store or Play Store. Understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
If you open the app store, you can download some applications or not. Some applications are freely we can download, some applications you have to pay. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So that kind of place can be called as what? App Exchange. So appexchange.com is a place given by Salesforce where developers can sell the applications and also clients will buy the applications as per their requirement. So these are the three partners of Salesforce company: developerforce.com, dreamforce.com, and appexchange.com. I hope you understand till now. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So maybe last 1 hour, we just discussed about Salesforce clouds and Salesforce partners. Clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow's session, what I'm going to discuss is, tomorrow class is very important, guys. Don't miss the class. Warning all of you here, because tomorrow is weekend. Don't miss the session. Clear? Tomorrow class, what I'm going to discuss is versions of Salesforce, editions of Salesforce, and environments of Salesforce. SF means Salesforce. These are the three important points we will discuss in tomorrow's session. Understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's about the today's session, guys. I'll catch you tomorrow same time at 8 p.m. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
I hope all of you understand the today's class.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Recording.
Catch you tomorrow.
Hello.
Hello, sir. Sir,
Hello.
please repeat again this.
Hello, sir. Sir, hello, sir. I am audible.
Tell me, guys, last class, what we discussed?
We discussed about the types of cloud, sales, marketing, services,
And also we were discussed about the Salesforce partners. Huh?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Key partners. Developerforce.com, Dreamforce.com, and AppExchange.com. Isn't it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me start the today's session. That is 22nd, 1. Why many people are absent today? Saturday? Huh?
Maybe, sir.
Guys, tomorrow also we have session. Okay. No Sunday holiday. Hello.
Sir, already told you Sunday is a holiday.
Sorry, come again. But not this Sunday. This Sunday you have session.
Okay, sir.
Next Sunday I will give the holiday. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow's lesson.
Correct time, sir, 8 to 9 p.m.
No. Tomorrow morning, not 8 o'clock. Tomorrow morning, 9 to 11, 2 hours class.
10 to 11. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Not 10 to 11.
Excuse me, sir. Myself, Subhasish Roy.
Yeah, Subhasish. Tell me.
When the regular classes will start, what will be the perfect timing? It is 8 to 9 in the evening?
Yeah, regularly 8 to 9 only.
Because if it is in morning, that's very, very tough for my job also.
No, not morning. Only evening time only.
Okay,
but
thank you.
only tomorrow. Only tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, only tomorrow. Please attend morning 9 o'clock.
Tomorrow 9 to, sir?
9 to 11. 9 to 11, 2 hours class.
Okay, morning time. IST, Indian Standard Time. Right?
Indian Standard
Do we
Time.
have evening, sir?
9 a.m. to.
Do we have now class or evening class?
Sorry, come again.
Yes, one request, like my wife is also in the same training group, and like she is currently in London. So morning 9 to 11 would be midnight for her. So is there any way where you can actually make it in the afternoon or the regular time?
Okay, no problem. We will make it as tomorrow 8 o'clock night. That is okay for you?
That would be perfect timing, I guess.
7 o'clock evening? 7 to 9? 7 to 9?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Post lunch after 2 p.m. any time is fine for me.
Okay, make it a 7 o'clock evening.
Okay.
7 p.m.
Thank you for
to
considering the
9
request.
p.m. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
What is your name, ma'am?
Madhu.
Madhu. You are from?
I'm also from Bihar, but currently in London.
Currently, you are in London. Okay, fine. So 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. is okay?
Yes, that's perfect for me.
Good. So tomorrow, not morning time, tomorrow evening, 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. we have session. Is this time is amicable for all of you in the class?
Sir, definitely.
Okay. So don't absent tomorrow's session, guys. Tomorrow's session is very, very important. Clear, all of you?
So excuse me.
Yes, yeah.
So this is Janvi. I'm joining you from Dallas, Texas.
Yeah.
So you're changing the time, sir. I just joined now. I'm sorry, I just missed some part.
No. I just started the session. Of course, I'm not started the session. I'm talking about the timings, tomorrow timings.
Okay.
So tomorrow also you have session. So for you, it is Saturday night. Okay. So 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. tomorrow.
Hello, sir.
Okay,
So the Indian Standard Time, you're starting the class at 7 p.m. is it?
Yes, IST.
Okay, so that would be too early for me, sir.
What time?
I think.
7 p.m.
Because I think about 5 a.m. I think.
Oh. Okay, make it as 8 o'clock. As usual, same time.
Okay, so I won't be able to miss anything, right?
Yeah, that's why.
Okay, so
8 p.m. to 10 p.m. is okay. Same time tomorrow night.
Yes.
Madhu?
Yes, okay for me.
Okay, is this time is okay, all of you? Rest of all the people, 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. tomorrow.
3 months, total 3 months and 1.5 months, huh?
Total 3 months.
8 to 10 p.m. Okay.
No, 8 to 9 only. Tomorrow only I'm taking 2 hours class.
Okay.
What is about next Sunday, sir?
Next Sunday you don't have class. Only tomorrow.
Sir.
Sorry? Hello?
Start the classes, sir.
What Ramakrishna, tell me.
Day after tomorrow, sir, class.
Day after tomorrow, same
class,
time.
sir.
Day
8
after
to 9
tomorrow, same
p.m.
time, 8 o'clock only.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Or
sir.
also 8 o'clock
Okay,
only. Day after
sir.
tomorrow also same time. Time won't change, okay?
Okay, sir. This time, okay, sir. Okay,
Yes.
sir. Okay,
So
sir.
tomorrow same time, guys, 8 o'clock to 10 p.m. Okay? Fine. Let us start the class. Is all of you ready? Is everyone can view my screen?
Yes, sir. Ready, sir.
Yeah.
And last 2 days, tell me guys, last 2 days, how you feel about the sessions? Are you really follow sessions or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you really satisfied with my
Yes,
teaching?
sir. Satisfied, sir.
Thank you. And what about rest of the people? Janvi, Madhu,
Yes, sir.
Sriram, Sai Teja, Dr. Sandeep Gupta, everyone.
I have not attended yesterday's class. It's my first class.
Oh, what is your name?
Mayuri.
Oh, Mayuri. No problem, Mayuri. I will share the recordings to
Yes, sir.
you. Okay.
Sai Sir, there's some kind of confusion with the Durga software, I think, because I every time have to request for the recordings and invites. I don't know
Actually,
what's
the
going on.
point is, ma'am, who is speaking?
Janvi.
Janvi, the point is once you get registered, then only they will provide the recordings.
Yes, I have registered, but I don't. In the email, I should get the invites, right? I don't get it on time, sir.
Oh, so means formalities are completed, the formalities?
Yes, I have done with the fees part and everything. Yes, sir, it's done.
Of course, I hope you understand what I'm asking regarding the financial issues I'm talking.
Yes, sir, I have paid the fees and everything.
Oh, great. So no problem. I will talk with the management of Durga Soft, and as soon as possible they will they will provide the recordings. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Let us start the class.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The last session we completed what? Salesforce partners. Okay. So versions of Salesforce, editions of Salesforce, environments of Salesforce. These are the 3 topics I'm going to discuss in today's session. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sai Sir.
I will start the session. Just 1 minute, please. Okay, guys, now let us start the class. Versions of Salesforce. So before I'm going to start the versions of Salesforce, suppose take the example of Java programming language. Java programming language, the first version of Java 1.0, released in almost 1990s. After 1.0, 2.0, then 3.0, like that 5.0, the current version 9.0, the current version is I think 11.0, I hope so. So these are all Java versions. Like that, take the example of Oracle database. Oracle database also first version starts with 1.0. 1 minute, guys. Yeah. So like that, can hear me all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, but the screen is not visible.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir. It's
not
audible,
visible.
sir.
Yeah, I will share this. Like that, take the example of Oracle database. Oracle database first version 7.0. Then after we have 8i, like that 9i, 11, 10g,
10G.
11g, policy, 13c, like that. The current version of Oracle is 19c. Understand all of you? So here C stands for cloud technologies. And G stands for technology. And I stands for internet technology. Like that, Oracle have different versions. If you observe Java and Oracle, the similarity between the Java and Oracle versions, not only Java and Oracle, you take any software product. Okay. All the versions of software products are in numeric format. Or no? Which format? Numeric format. But the importance of Salesforce is Salesforce versions are not in the numeric format. Salesforce versions are in based on seasons format. Understand? That is winter season or winter version, then summer version, and last and final one, spring version. Like that, every year, Salesforce releases 3 versions. Each version new is 4 months. 3 into 4, 12 months. Understand? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
So it is winter season, winter version, summer version, and spring version. The current version of Salesforce is winter 22. What is this 22? Year number 2022. After winter 22, summer will start. Summer 2022. Then spring version will start. Like that, it will keep on rotating.
2022.
Okay. So I'll show you right now how to find the version. Let me log in .salesforce.com. Now click on home button. And what is this, guys? Winter 22 for developers. Here we can see winter 22 for developers. So this is the version what we are learning right now. Everyone understand? Like that, every year Salesforce releases how many versions? Three different versions. Am I clear this point? Very good.
Clear.
Yes, sir.
Now somebody got a doubt in the class. Maybe Janvi got a doubt here. What's your doubt is, sir, I understand the versions of Salesforce, what you said. Currently, we are learning winter 22 version. Maybe on winter 22 version, suppose I developed one application, I developed some project, and whatever application I developed on winter 22, is this application, will it work on future versions or not? That is her
Yes,
doubt.
sir.
Is all of you understand her doubt, please? Yes or no?
Yes, yes, sir.
Janavi, do you understand your doubt?
Yes, yes.
Thank you. So what is your answer, guys? Will it work or not work?
I think it will work.
Exactly. 100%.